Imagine a world where you can send money anywhere instantly, without banks, without middlemen, and without high fees. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is already here, and it's called cryptocurrency, but what exactly is crypto? How does it work? And why are people calling it the future of money? By the end of this video, you'll understand everything in simple words. No technical jargon, no confusion, just pure knowledge. So, let's dive in. Cryptocurrency, or crypto for short, is a type of digital money. Unlike traditional money, like dollars, rupees, or euros, it only exists online and is not controlled by any government or bank. Think of it like gold on the internet. It has value, but it's not printed like regular cash. Instead, it's completely decentralized, meaning no single person, government, or company controls it. So, why was crypto created? Because people wanted a financial system that was truly global, transparent, and not controlled by big banks. Cryptocurrencies run on a powerful technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a digital notebook that records every single transaction. But here's the twist. Every transaction is public, meaning anyone can see it. It's impossible to change once recorded, so no fraud or fake transactions. It works 24/7 globally, unlike banks that close on weekends. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, right? It's the first and most famous cryptocurrency. But did you know there are over 10,000 different cryptos? Here are a few popular ones. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Ethereum, ETH, not just money, but also powers smart contracts. Tether, USDT, a stablecoin that stays equal to the US dollar. So, why do millions of people love cryptocurrency? Here are some major reasons. Fast international payments. No need to wait days for bank approvals. Low transaction fees. No hidden bank charges. Security and privacy. Your funds belong to you. No one can freeze them. Investment and trading. Many buy crypto hoping its value will increase over time. But wait! Before you get too excited, there are some risks you need to know. Volatility. Crypto prices go up and down fast. Bitcoin can lose 20% in a day. Scams and hacks. There are fake crypto projects. Always research before investing. Regulations. Some governments ban or restrict crypto, so always check your country's rules. So, will cryptocurrency replace traditional money? Some experts say yes. They believe crypto is the future of finance. Others say no. They think governments will never allow a fully decentralized currency. But here's what we do know. Big companies like Tesla, Microsoft, and even PayPal are already using crypto. Governments are exploring blockchain technology. The crypto revolution has already begun. And that's a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. Now you understand what it is, how it works, and why people use it. What do you think? Is crypto the future or just a trend? Comment below. Want to learn more? Subscribe for easy-to-understand crypto videos every week.